Let us review first the procedure on how to get the circumference of a circle. So let us read the problem. What is the circumference of a circle whose radius is 15 centimeter? So what is given here is the radius of 15 centimeter, and we are looking for circumference. Now, the formula to get the circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now, the equivalent of phi is approximately 3.14, and this is constant. Okay? So, we have C is equals to 2 pi r. Now, substitution, C is equals to 2, then pi is 3.14, and the radius is 15 centimeter. So, multiply 2 times 3.14, that is 6.28. Then you multiply 6.28 by 15 centimeter, and the answer is 94.20 centimeter. Okay? Is that clear? If the given is the radius, the formula is circumference is equals to 2 pi r. Okay? Let's go. On example number 2, find the circumference of a circle whose diameter is 25 centimeter. Now, in this problem, the given is diameter. So, the formula that we're going to use is centimeter is equals to phi and then d, or diameter. Now, let us solve. Circumference is equal to pi d. So, let us substitute. Phi is 3.14 and d is 25 centimeter. Then, we need to multiply. So, the answer here is 3.14 times 25 is 78.50 centimeter. Okay? So, the formula, if diameter is given, is circumference is equals to pi d. And remember that the pi is always or approximately equal to 3.14. Now, let's go on another example. To find the radius, and radius is given, whose circumference is 15.70 centimeter. So, the given is the circumference of 15.70. And we are looking for the radius. So, the formula for this is 2 pi r. Now, substitution. So, the circumference is 15.70 is equals to 2 pi r. Now, 15.70 is equals to 2, then pi is 3.14, and we are looking for the radius. So, 15.70 is equals to 6.28. So, we need to divide both by 6.28. So, 15.70 divided by 6.28, that is 2.5 centimeter. So, this is the radius. Okay, class, you have to remember the formula if radius is given is circumference is equals to 2 pi r. Okay? If radius is given. Now, if the formula, if diameter is given, is circumference is equals to pi d. Now, the pi is always constant, no? It is approximately 3.14. Remember that. Don't forget that. If radius is given, the formula is circumference is equals to 2 pi r. And if diameter is given, the formula is circumference is equals to pi d. And the pi is constant. It is approximately 3.14. Okay? Is that clear? Okay, now, I want you to try this. So, we have radius, diameter, and circumference. You need to compute for the diameter in number 1 and 2 and the circumference. In number 3 and 4, you need to compute for the radius and circumference. In number 5 and 6, we need to compute for the radius and the diameter. In 7 and 8, we need to compute for the diameter and circumference. While in 9 and 10, we need to compute for the radius and circumference. Okay, your time starts now. Okay, let us check your answer. Number 1 is 170 centimeter. Okay, correct? Number 2, 533.80 centimeter. Very good. Number 3, 75 centimeter. Correct. And number 4 is 471 centimeter. Very good. Number 5 is 19 centimeter. 6 is 38 centimeter. 7 is 25 dm. Then 8 is 78.50. And 25. Number 10 is 157. Okay, all are correct. Very good. Now, let's proceed. Keep trying. So, the direction is to draw a circle with the following measures using your compass with ruler. Use long bond paper for your drawing. So, you need to do this. You need to put this in a long bond paper for your drawing. So, use your compass. Your time starts now. Now, let's proceed to the assessment. In assessment, we need to find the circumference of the following circle. So in letter A, that is the direction. Find the circumference of the following circle. So here, in number 1, the given is the, what do you call this? The radius. This one, number 2, the radius is also given. Radius. And in number 3, diameter is given. Okay? This one is diameter. Okay, this one, diameter also. And the number 5, diameter. So you already know the formula for radius. This is centimeter is equal, or circumference is equals to 2 pi r. The same with number 2, 2 pi r, because this one is the radius. In number 3, diameter is given. The formula is circumference is equals to pi d. Okay? Okay, your time starts now. Solve. Okay, let us see. Okay, let us check your work. So in number 1 is 8 centimeter. The formula is 2 pi r. So the answer is 50.24 centimeter. Very good. In number 2, the answer is 12.56 diameter. And number 3 is 37.68 diameter. And number 4 is 62.80 centimeter. And in number 5 is 43.96 centimeter. Very good. Now, we have letter B in the assessment. Solve the following problem. So, a circular garden with a diameter of 5 meters. So, diameter, you see that diameter of 5 meter will be surrounded with the santan plants of 0.5 meter apart. Around how many santan flowers will be needed? Okay. If the diameter is given, the formula is what? C is equal to what? Pi D. Okay? Pi D. So, 3.14 times pi meter, we need 31 santan plants. Number 2, a circular tablecloth with a diameter again of 62.8 centimeter. So we need to, the question is how many centimeter lace will be needed. So the answer, the same formula, circumference equals to pi d. The answer is 197.19 centimeter. In number 3, what is the distance? So when we talk about distance around the table or around the circular table, we are talking about a circumference. What is the distance? We are looking for the circumference. The distance around the circular table which measures 15 meters across. So when we talk about 15 meters across, this is a diameter. So we are looking for the circumference again. So the formula is C or circumference equals to pi d. The same given is diameter. So the answer is 47.10. Now let's go to number 4. A circular therapy pool in a water spa with 7-meter diameter. So diameter again is given. So the same formula, circumference equals to pi d. So the answer is 21.98 meter. The last number is number 5. Circumference of a circle is 100 meter. How long is the radius? So the given here is the circumference. And then we are looking for the radius. What will be the formula now? The formula is circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Okay? In order to get the radius. And the radius is 15.92 meter. Is there any question? Okay, if you don't have any question,